What is an empire? An empire is a group of countries or territories known as colonies governed by a powerful central state. The ruler of an empire is called the emperor, and there is usually a big divide between the ruling class and the working class. The Roman Empire was one of the most successful and influential empires in history. Its leaders were generally strong, intelligent, and power-hungry. Thanks to Rome's military might, the Romans conquered and occupied large parts of Europe, North Africa, and Western Asia. Roman governors and soldiers were sent out to every Roman colony to keep peace and order, as well as to organize building projects to modernize towns and cities. Why create an empire in the first place? Empire building is all about money, power, and influence. If you control the land, you also control the people and resources. This boosts the economy of the ruling state. As the wealth of the ruling class multiplies, so does the desire for more wealth, and so the expansion continues. What are the benefits of an empire? A good empire is strong and well connected. Trade is easy and wealth increases. Skills, knowledge and resources are all easily shared because of a common language. Military protection is almost guaranteed and laws are upheld. Ambitious people can take advantage of these connections and move freely between different parts of the empire, increasing their knowledge, skills and wealth. Although not all native Britons were happy about the Roman occupation, the country seems to have thrived. New roads, buildings, viaducts and sewage systems were built. The Roman army also protected the native Britons from other invaders. What are some of the drawbacks? Under foreign rule, people living in a colony are usually expected, and sometimes even forced, to adopt the language, religion, customs, and traditions of the ruling power. Because of this, a colony can quickly lose its own identity. On top of this, natives are often taken advantage of. They might be used as slave labor or paid very low wages. Their land, homes or possessions might also be seized without warning by the occupying forces. What do you think? Is empire building a good idea or a terrible one? Perhaps the reality lies somewhere in between.